Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming a makeup tutorial. I feel like I haven't done makeup in such a long time, but we are using this palette right here. This is the new Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 2. You guys know, or if you don't know, I love her first one. So I knew I needed to get my hands on this. I had this for a little while, but I'm now finally getting around to using it because I haven't worn makeup in a really long time. So if you want to see how I got this look right here and what I think about this palette, please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this Fenty banana powder. Oh, a lot came out. Yeah, I think this is just called Banana. And I am going to just add a little bit right here. And just underneath my eyes. Sorry, I wasn't sure where I was looking. But yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit here because I don't know what the fallout's gonna be like and I just need something to catch it. So we set our eyes with this concealer, which is from Juvia's Place. And then I also added a little bit of my MAC Studio Fix powder in C6 on top of that. And I'm just making sure everything is nice and smooth. We're finally going to dig into this palette. It's Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. Look, there's something about a brand new palette that just gets me so excited and happy. And I took pictures, so we're ready to play. Okay, I think we're gonna go in with this pink shade right here. And I'm going to, oh my God. And this is Morphe M502. Oh, yeah. Okay. And this is really pretty. So I'm going to work this into the crease. And this is blending really nice. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this pink and just kind of feather it upwards into my brows. And now I'm gonna take the shade, which is called Next. I'm going to use the same brush. And I'm just going to work this into the outer V. So far, I'm not getting any fallout, which is amazing. I'm just going to keep blending and packing and layering this color until I'm happy with it. There's a color right underneath it I think I'm going to also add. So I'm going to bring this kind of towards the middle right here and blend it in. Just to create some depth. These colors are blending really, really nice with each other. I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and just blend the colors together. So this is the color I was talking about. I'm just going to deepen the outer V a little bit, and this is called Crazy. And I'm just going to pack, actually let me see if I can use a different brush. This is not the right brush for it, but I literally just want to get it right in here. Just keep this just right in this area. I'm just gonna blend this onto the lid area, not bringing it all the way in. I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm not the greatest at cutting my crease, but we're gonna cut our crease. So I'm gonna take my P. Louise base in Rumor 2, take a little bit of product, and I'm gonna do half the cut crease. color do I want to do? Let's do this color right here, which is Drama Queen, using the same brush. Wait, is that picking up anything? Doesn't look like anything is on my brush, but let's see. I'm just going to pack this in the... Wait, is this just supposed to be a shimmery topper? Okay, hold on. Okay. Let's do Get Ready With Me. Oh, okay. I think Drama Queen is supposed to be just like a shimmery topper because it wasn't going on my brush, but it was really sparkly when I put it on my hands. So we're going in with Get Ready With Me, and I'm just going to pack this into the inner portion of that cut crease. I don't know if I'm using the right brush for this, but I'm just using what I have. So I'm gonna stop halfway, and then I'm going to use another color. I've been wanting to use this color as soon as I saw the palette. I'm gonna use the same brush. Oh, that's so pretty. And we are just going to work this right here. Oh, this is so pretty. This is layering really, really nice. Just want to intensify right here. I'm going to mix these two shades together, and I'm just going to work this right here just to blend things together because it was looking a little harsh. I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm just going to use a tiny bit and just add it right here. So there was no fallout. I'm going to go back in with this hot pink, which is Dance Party, and cleaning off this brush a little bit. So now I'm just going to take this color and work this on the lower lash line. And make sure you make the ugliest faces ever and connect to the top. I may not need to put another color underneath that. So there's this color right here, which is supposed to be a really pretty iridescent pink. I don't know if it's showing up, but this is going right in my inner tear duct. I wonder if I should wet my brush. Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna wet my brush. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. You guys know I love pink. Wow, I'm loving this palette. You know what? I'm gonna take a small amount, just add this right here, just in the highest points. I did my eyeliner off camera. I used my NYX matte liquid liner and then Salon Perfect's N614 lashes. I'm gonna use a brown eyeliner instead of a black. I don't want it to be super dark on the lower lash line, but I want it dark enough. And this is Teddy from MAC. So I'm going to use a little bit of Kylie's Queen Drip to highlight my face. I'm also going to highlight my nose. For my blush, I'm going in with this Peachy Love from Anastasia. I'm going to mix all 3 shades. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Baddie on the block because I want it more pinker. I don't have a lot of blushes, so I'm just mixing things to get what I'm looking for. I'm also going to go in with this Jeffree Star's Beauty Killer palette, and this pink right here, I'm going to take the tiniest amount and pop this right here. Ooh, that's bright. Blush fades the fastest. And I'm also going to blend this out. Okay, let's blend this out so I don't look super crazy. I want to try this Bremen Rock Loose Highlighter Duo. So it opens like this. I'm just gonna open it a little bit and kind of shake it. Oh, this looks like straight glitter. Oh yeah, I think this is just glitter. It's actually really pretty though. It is getting everywhere though. All right, we are done. Oh, for the lips, I went in with Morphe's Bite Me Lip Liner. Then I used these two liquid lipstick. This is Fenty's Unlocked, and this is Infallible's 354 Nudist lipstick, just to create the perfect pink. And then in the center, I went in with this Morphe lip gloss in Flower Crown. Like I said, just in the center. And this palette, it didn't disappoint. I love everything about this palette. I don't have anything negative to say about it. The formula is amazing. The shadows are amazing. The colors are amazing. There's so many looks you can do with this, and I will be filming with this again. I'm so glad I got my hands on this really, really early on. So disappointed I'm only now getting around to using and filming a look for you guys, but I like the way everything turned out. I used quite a bit of shadows in here because I really wanted to test things out. The only one I was having an issue with was this one right here, which is Drama Queen, but I think that might be a topper. I didn't really do my research as far as what, you know, if something's a pressed glitter or, you know, I didn't do that portion of the research. So that might be a shimmery topper, but I think, yeah, it's really just nice and shimmery. So I may just use that next time with my fingers, but everything just went on really, really well. I had no fallout. You guys saw, I put some powder underneath just in case, but I didn't really need to. So I don't know. I don't have any complaints. I absolutely love this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this look. And what else? All pretty details will be listed down below for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.